If you enjoy a good wonton soup but don't want to go through all the hassle, then this recipe is for you. Here is a list of your ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. To a large pot on medium-high heat, pour 2 quarts chicken broth. Cut an inch of ginger, remove the skin and slice. Cut the tops off of your green onions and set aside. Then cut the bottom half of your green onion in 1-inch pieces, throwing away the ends. Remove the skin of your garlic. Then you're going to want to smash it with the back of your knife. To your pot on medium-high heat, add your onions, ginger slices, garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 1/2 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Bring soup to a boil, stirring occasionally. Slice up the remainder of your green onions and set aside about 3 tablespoons as a garnish. To a bowl, add 1 pound of ground pork, onions, 2-inch piece of ginger grated with the skin off, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Combine well. Form 1-inch balls. Then you're going to want to reduce your heat to a simmer and drop them into the soup. Cook for about 5 minutes. Cut about 20 wonton wrappers into quarters. Add a little at a time so they do not stick together, stirring in between. Throw in your cut bok choy. Cook for another 8 minutes, stirring occasionally, and enjoy.